Hi, my name is Miss Mariana, and today our small group activity is going to be named Bear Snores On. So I don't know if you guys remember that we read a book titled Bear Snores On, and it was about a bear who was hibernating inside a cave, and a lot of animals started coming in, and they were making noise, cooking, dancing, and they woke up the bear. So on this activity, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to remember which animal came first into that cave. For this activity, the materials that we're gonna be using are a bear snores on worksheet, scissors, and glue. First, we're gonna get our scissors and we're gonna cut the little images of the animals. We have a rabbit, a mouse, a gopher, and a raven. So now that we have our images cut, let's remember who was the first animal who came into the cave. Let's go back to the book and remember. You guys are right. The mouse was the first animal that came into the cave. Now, do you guys remember the second animal? Good, it was the hare. And who remembers the name of the third animal who came into the cave? Good, the gopher. So we're gonna put some glue and we're gonna put it on the third rectangle. And the fourth was the raven. Good job, guys. And this one is the fourth rectangle. So now that we're done with our activity, I have a question for you guys. What woke the bear up? Try to remember what was the thing that the animals did to wake up the bear? Let's think. You guys are correct. They put pepper inside their stew, and that caused the bear to sneeze and woke up.